So Ken, tell me, what are the benefits of putting wine, good drinking wine, in Tetra Pak or B-Pack?
The main benefit is environmental responsibility. A Tetra Pak or a B-Pack is only 4% packaging by weight, whereas a glass bottle is around 40% packaging by weight.
So let me get my head around this. How many semi-trailers of bottles do you need for 1 million litres?
You will be talking about 26 B-double trucks.
This particular packaging, how many trucks do you need?
One.
One.
Stefano, we were talking inside earlier about the comparison between Tetra Paks and bottles.
Right.
So there's not a better way to show that than to actually show you a B-double load of bottles is represented by just these three pallets of Tetra Pak.
12 rolls I count there. So these will do what that truckload does.
That's right. So you can imagine one truckload of these represents 26 truckloads of those.
Unbelievable.
So from an environmentally responsible point of view, we're reducing our carbon footprint by effectively taking 25 trucks off the road.
That's a great improvement. Ken, talk about efficiency. This seems to be a much smaller machine than what we see on the other side, where you're bottling with conventional lines. A lot less steel for starters.
Yes,
here.
all those things. This is the latest technology, A3 Flex Tetra Pak filler. So you can imagine this is a depalletizer, rinser, filler, capper, all in one unit.
Yeah,
so it's actually replacing 3 machines.
You get rid of 3 machines.
That's right.
Compress it into a smaller one.
Yep. So this whole line would actually only have 3 machines to do the entire filling, sealing and packing, whereas out on the bottling line we actually require up to 7 machines to do all that.
Now, tell me, what happens to this once you have used it and drunk? Does it compress? Does it go back into a rubbish bin easily?
Yep.
What happens from there on?
Well, you can imagine a bottle, once you've finished a bottle, is always a bottle. It'll always stay a bottle shape. It takes up the same amount of space. With a B-Pack, once we've finished using it, we can just simply crush it, flatten it, and it takes up very, very little space.
It's not different from a carton of milk, isn't it?
That's right. It will never replace the bottle, but it's giving us a premium alternative for those people that want to be environmentally responsible.
So you are saying that quality of the wine does not suffer?
Not at all. The paper that's used to make B-Packs is actually sourced from Tetra Pak's own renewable forests.
So, in effect, we're not going to chop down old forests to create wood chips to make this sort of stuff?
Not at all.
No.
B-Pack production reduces our wastage of power and water by about 50%. Very
50%.
Important. Yep.
Which is why you can afford to give people a litre instead of 750.
Right.
You're going to be making your savings somewhere, and it is a safe alternative for good quality.
That's right. And